you guys want to see how I got this awesome St. Patty's Day look, keep watching. Hey guys, it's Jen of all trades. Today, I'm looking like a hot mess. I took a shower, my hair's still wet. I do not brush it when it's wet, so we're looking a little crazy right now. We're gonna take care of that in 1 second. But anyways, today, as you probably saw in the title, I am doing a collab with I Am Clemmi. She's super awesome. If you have not already checked her out, make sure you do. Her video link will be in the description once it is up, as well as in the iCard, so you can check out her version of this as well. Today we are doing a shamrock or St. Patty's Day kind of makeup look, since it is St. Patty's Day coming up this weekend. So we wanted to get this out for you in time for you to be able to create your own look. I know lots of people are going out and celebrating, and I used to be one of those crazy people a few years ago, not that long ago, but I used to get all decked out and everything green. And I know, especially because we were in Virginia Beach, so Norfolk, they have this parade. We wake up at like 6 in the morning. By 7:30, we're out on the road drinking and just getting down and just decked out in green. And there's some crazy characters out there. So drinking green beer, going from bar to bar, like it is so fun and it's an awesome time. So whatever you're doing out there to celebrate your St. Patty's Day, I'm gonna help you, and Clemmi's gonna help you do it in style with an awesome makeup look. So here we go. Alright, so to get this started, I'm going to put my hair up because we do not need to see all this craziness. Is that good? Alright. So also I am experimenting with my light. So this is like a blue kind of light filtery thing. And then the other one is more of a white light. So I'm not sure which one is best. So between this one and my unboxing videos previously, the BoxyCharm and the Ipsy Glam Plus were done with the other lighting. So let me know which one you think, or if you see any kind of difference between the two. Alright, so let's get this look started. We're doing lots of green, of course. I'm using an array of palettes. We'll be going over all of that as we go. Let's get close and personal. Alright, now that my wrinkles are in full view, let's get started. It's the glories of getting older. It happens. To start off, because my lips are the most bare thing on here, I'm just gonna do those first so we're not looking but so bad. Of course, you see my eyebrows are done. I have my concealer, some eyeliner. We're good there. Now, I couldn't find, and I didn't really go to the store to look for green lipstick, but I want to do green lips. We're going all out. So, since I don't have green lipstick, we are going to improvise, which is a cool little trick. If you don't know, you can get any color lips you want. So I have this nude lip. This is my the CoverGirl one, the Katy Perry one. So in the color Sphinx. So I'm gonna put that on first. And then next, I'm gonna take a green eyeshadow and put that over top of it to create green lips. Now I am using the Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette for this. This is what we're also going to be using for the eyes as well. Well, some of the greens, because this has got good greens. I guess we're going to go with this one. Not quite sure if it's going to match the eyes, but it's going to be green. So I'm just doing this. Alright. We're green. Alright, so the very next thing we can focus on is the eyes. I'm going to be silent and just show you what I do and do it. so now this look is almost done. The next part of this look is to incorporate a shamrock or a four-leaf clover into the look as per our rules. So to do that, I'm just going to use, because I don't have a green eyeliner, I'm going to use a blue one, and we're going to draw one on my face. Now, if you are going to some kind of awesome St. Patty's Day event, you can use the temporary tattoo stickers. I think even like some big glitter chunks, you know, would be really cool, like on your cheeks. I just don't have that, but we're gonna use what we have today. Going in with yellow for the center, because we gotta be creative and accurate. Okay, and we're gonna take our green to the outside. Okay, I think I am gonna go ahead and take my black felt tip and just do an outline. I feel like it's gonna look better. We'll get those actual definitions of the clover that are supposed to be there. That looks okay. That looks alright, right? That's not bad. That's pretty cool. I'm actually really excited about that. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's go a little extra with it because I'm feeling creative now. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. We might just stop while we are ahead because I don't know what I'm doing at this point as I continue to make random dots on my face. Yeah, aside from the black dots, we're just gonna go with it. This is the final look. Okay, hold on. This is the final look. Back to crazy hair Jen. Alrighty. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let's back away. Before you give it a big thumbs up, thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos, more awesome looks. Make sure you go check out Clemmi's video. I am also excited to see what she does and comes up with. And be safe drinking or whatever you are doing out there for St. Patty's Day. So everyone be safe. Have an awesome holiday. Good luck, lots of luck and spread to everybody. And I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye.